Don't try this at home or on your deck. Every year, millions of deck owners lose sunglasses, earrings, keys, and dignity to these gaps. What if I told you there is a deck that swallows none of that, handles a scooter driving over it, and you can replace any board in 10 seconds without tearing anything else up? Today at MexyTech Outdoor Lab, we're not just talking about it, we're destroying it, drowning it, driving over it, and filming every second. Let's go. Keys, coins, stiletto heels. We've all had those nightmare moments with traditional deck gaps. They swallow your valuables and trap dirt forever. This is what I call the abyss. Once something falls in here, it's gone, and cleaning, you can't. The dirt rots the structure from the inside out. This is ZipDeck, a 100% zero gap surface from MexyTech. No abyss, no dirt traps, just smooth. But where does the water go? Is it slippery when wet? Can it actually hold weight? Great questions. Today, we answer them with proof you can see with your own eyes. Myth number 1. If there are no gaps, where do the water go? People think a sealed surface means a swampy mess. Let's see what happens during a rainstorm. Look closely. ZipDeck features a hidden S-shaped micro-drainage system engineered into every board. The water goes in, flows through the profile, and drains out the bottom. No puddles, no pooling. And here's the bonus most people don't expect. Because the water doesn't drip through randomly, the area underneath your deck stays dry too. That means your outdoor furniture, your storage space, the ceiling of your patio below, all protected. At a backyard BBQ, spills happen. On a traditional deck, that sauce drips straight down the gap onto your joists. You can never wipe it clean. On ZipDeck, the mess stays right where you can see it. One wipe gone, no permanent stains hidden inside the cracks. This little guy isn't going anywhere. That's because ZipDeck is engineered with a premium R11 anti-slip surface rating. R11 means this surface grips even when it's completely soaked. For families with kids running around, for grandparents visiting, for anyone walking barefoot after a pool party, this isn't just a feature, it's peace of mind. This is the #1 fear engineers have about no-gap systems. If the boards lock together tightly, does that make them brittle, weak, unable to handle real-world load? Today, we're putting that to the ultimate test. This board is suspended with nothing underneath. No center support, no backup, nothing but air, no cracking, no breaking, just pure strength. And this isn't just luck. Althea simulation, finite element analysis, proves ZipDeck can handle a massive loading pressure of 950 kilograms per square meter. It's strong and looks incredible, but for contractors, the real magic is the tool-free installation. Step 1. Clip locking. Step 2. Board insertion. Step 3. The lock. No screws, no drills, no pre-drilling holes. Snap the clip, slide the board, step down to lock, click done. You're cutting installation time literally in half. Less labor cost for contractors, less weekend wasted for homeowners. On a traditional deck, replacing one damaged board in the middle means tearing up half the deck. On ZipDeck, watch this. Center board go. One board out, one board in, 0 screws removed, 0 adjacent boards disturbed, 0 collateral damage. For commercial projects, hotels, restaurants, boardwalks, where you can't close down for repairs, this is a game changer. From private backyards to luxury hotels, ZipDeck isn't just a lab experiment, It's a product that's already working hard around the world. Let's recap: 100% no-gap surface, hidden drainage, R11 anti-slip, extreme load bearing, and tool-free installation. Premium aesthetics, zero compromises. That's ZipDeck from MexyTech. Now I want to hear from you. Comment ZipDeck below if you want to get your hands on a free sample. Hit subscribe and visit me MexyTech.com right now to browse the catalog. See you in the next test.